Alright, so if you're replacing an old or damaged exhaust gasket, this one is designed for a snug fit in 2-bolt 2-inch exhaust systems. It helps form a tight seal between exhaust pipe connections, which reduces leaks, engine noise, and even improves overall efficiency. It's often used during muffler or exhaust pipe repairs and works in setups involving turbochargers or custom exhaust work. You'll usually install this when upgrading or fixing your car's exhaust system. Installation is straightforward, just align the holes, tighten the bolts, and you're good to go. It's a small part that plays a big role in keeping your system running smoothly and quietly. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below, and if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.